Hello, and welcome to my recap of today. Today is June 30. So today I traded MU, that was a stock that was gapping up 5% and had earnings yesterday. So uh, I want to see how the stock moved. So the first minute, the stock opened really weak, but then it changed dramatically. It bounced from my levels, as you can see. Now it got above VWAP. So I say, okay, no, let's wait to see what's going to happen here. But then I saw that it was rejecting VWAP at this point. So I decided to take it long with a 1 minute orb. And I entered that in that point. But it wasn't a very good entry. I set the stop loss below VWAP. And it stopped me out immediately with a very big candle to the downside. So that was my first trade. So I said, okay, let's wait a little bit to see what's going to happen with this stock. Then I saw that this big candle to the downside, so I said maybe it's very big weak, and shorting it would be a good idea. So I waited for it to come back closer to VWAP and get a better entry. So I waited for it to consolidate there. And I entered once it made a new low. Well, it made this part here, so I entered here. But yeah, it also wasn't a very good entry because all my levels were rejecting the price, and eventually the price got rejected also, and it stopped me out again there. So now I got two stops, and I got one more shot, one for my third trade of the day, and I saw the wicks that were forming and the rejection from the levels. So I said, okay, maybe it's a good idea to take it long. So I took it long. I put my stop loss below the candle that was being formed and also below VWAP. So I thought it was maybe a good stop, but it stopped me out again. Maybe a good stop would have been here and not so close. So let's watch. Okay, so it stopped me out there, and this was the wick that it made here, and this mid level wasn't touched from these two also. So that would have been a better stop set for this trade. And eventually the stock did go up as I expected in my last attempt. It went all the way up to the high of the day. Then it went to my level 52.25. And then it went all the way up to my level of 52.4, but then it came back with heavy force to the downside, very weak. So after seeing this the stock wasn't really in any trend or in making any good movements. I didn't like the way it worked and how my analysis of the market was going. So I only trade three times a day. Those 3 trades were stopped today, hitting my maximum loss. Maybe the stock wasn't as good, or maybe I should have given more room for my stop loss. In this last trade, the other two were completely bad choices to trade against. This was a long, this was a short, and although but the last one did eventually work to my side. So okay, so that's my recap for today. If you have any comments, please let me know below. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.